So we had a subscriber said they don't want to see my face in the video so much. I just want to make my subscribers happy always, so I aim to please. You can just see all of them, and I'm edited out. I should get a green shirt so I can do like that green screen, you know, and just block my head out. Yeah. So the girls are doing what they always do, cooking. Hate to do this to you guys, but I gotta show this. What you got right there, Mel?
White squid. You call that one a white squid. It's really good for the grill.
Nice, huh? So Melinda's got some friends coming over, so they're gonna have a little throwdown.
Kids really want to help too. Black sauce.
Melinda's showing the kids to trim up those shrimp, cut the end of the head off, cut off the legs.
Yeah. You want to help, so let them help.
That's right. Well, you got all kinds of ingredients going over here.
Yeah. Still I'm gonna make pancit today. Bro, mom, hindi mo kara kama kunting kara. But I'm not going to. But I'm not going to. You hear me, Ben? I'm not going to cook this one today. I'm going to cook this one tomorrow for you, though.
Oh, the squid?
Yeah. I'm going to cook pork and fish today.
Yeah, I see you got pork right here in the bag.
And tomorrow I'll cook your shrimp.
Got pork cooking all up in there. See them chilies all mixed in with it. Yeah, right out over this nice little open fire. I tell you, every day is like camping here. Every day is like camping. Look here, boy. Is those mungo beans. It's like a little tiny green bean. I think she's about to add that in there. Man, look at that. So what's this dish called that y'all making, babe?
Soup.
Soup. Hey, it's called soup.
Mongo soup.
That's such an original name.
Of course, we call that one mongo, you know, mongo
Yeah.
with the pork and the spinach and squash.
Can't help but laugh at that one though.
Because if I tell you, it's a long word for Filipino, you know.
Well,
mongo.
go for it.
Mongo. call that one nilagang.
Wait, I think I seen a crab here somewhere. Where'd that crab go? Oh. Uncle Joe's always playing tricks on me here. So say that whole long name.
Monggo. Nilagang monggo. It means you really boil, you know. So hard to explain it.
Yeah, don't nosebleed.
Yeah, and nose bleeding.
No nose bleeding out here on the food.
Monggo, pork, lining spinach, and squash. That's the ingredients.
Mel's getting another little fire kicking up over here. Because I guess it looks like you're preparing to grill these fish or something, huh?
Yes, I'm
Hey,
good.
well, that little grill for the side right here is over there at the boat. I can go get it.
What is that?
That grill, we can lay it right here. You want me to go get it? You could just transfer that over.
Would you mind to do it?
Yeah, I'll go get it right now. So I got a little work so I can help her cook these fish a little faster. Just use that to get your charcoal started.
Yeah.
You know, that's a lot like those deals they start charcoal with in the U.S. You know, you can put your fire underneath and it breathes and goes up through the coals. Like those little Starco. Those little charcoal starters. Hey, I got a new name for one right there. We'll call them Starcos. All right. Anyway, I'll run and go get that for her once she gets this charcoal going. Be right back. Tell you, it's just like those starters. They made those starters a little bit bigger around the top like these. You just cook on them in the U.S.
Si Jilay ay malaki na. Siya ay malaki na. Malaki rin ang kanyang ulo. Kasi si Jilay ay bata pa. Si Jilay ay bata pa. Not like that, dear. Anong kuyaban mo dyan? Hindi, kasi mo makamaan. You not follow the instruction like this.
Ano ba yung isda? Sila?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my.
Ano
ganyan dyan? Sop munggo?
Yeah, those mungo beans are so good. Yeah, soup mungo.
Soup mungo.
What do you call this dish, babe? Soup?
Soup munggo.
And what are these fish? Fish?
Yeah, fish that. Fish that.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And that ain't all the cooking that's been going on. She's already had this dish going here too. Look here, boy. Man, it is so nice too. I'm gonna steal some here. Don't tell her. Yeah, man, little pieces of meat in this. My cabbage in there. Oh my God. Don't tell her I'm doing this. Keep your mouth shut. I'm gonna pick out all the meat before she knows. Ha 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 ha. Man, it's good.
Hello!
Oh my goodness, look at this. Ooh, look at this. Oh my goodness. So are they ready for a feast or what? Look at this. Melinda's been so excited and patiently waiting for them to get here. Wow, nice. Look at this. Oysters right here now. Look at this. Look here. Yeah. Life is good. Look at that. Yeah, man, still warm, fresh steam. Look at this. Hard to hold this camera and open that, but I can do it. Yep, look at that right there.
Ay, just spot lang.
I usually like to take another one of the shells. This is my camera assistant here. Boy, look at that. Mmm, delicious. I like it. I have the most beautiful camera assistant right now. You just don't know. I do. Let's look here. Let's do it. Look at that. Look at that. Super nice. Mmm. Those are big too. Nice. Mm. Let me show you my little assistant here. Good job. Yeah, Talaba. We have lots of extra friends here waiting for their chance. Waiting for a chance. Yeah, see? This is my little buddy right here. So what fish does this smell?
So hard to explain what kind of fish that one.
Well, what's the
But we
Philippine
call
name
that
for
one
it?
bilong-bilong. The black ate. Ate, it means black. There's a white one for that. The version of that is a white.
Right,
But this one is a black.
I see. And it's called what?
Bilong-bilong.
Bilong?
Yeah.
The white is girl, and the black is the boy.
Ah, really? So they're interracial.
Sa bilong-bilong, the white is the girl, and the black is the
You know what I call it? Delicious. When they met what? Let's hear your joke. Go ahead. Tell it now.
It means when they met, they're kissing.
Ah. Well, I don't know. I see teeth in there. Okay, one more piece. Y'all won't tell. All right.